Chinese universities have fostered international talent through collaborations, while Chinese industries have shared green technologies with African experts, underscoring China-Africa cooperation in addressing global environmental challenges. Take a look.
The United Nations Human Settlements Program, Tongji University, and the Shanghai Environmental Group hosted a gathering that united top environmental advocates. This 2024 China-Africa Environmental Forum was a catalyst for deepening collaborations, showcasing China and Africa's commitment to nurturing international talent and sharing expertise.
So our hope is that this collaboration will trickle at the local level, at the lowest level of the society in Africa. From there, people can benefit from this cooperation. And I think the point you raise is very important. We talk about expansion with this demographic growth we are seeing in Africa. I think there's a potential to establish a win-win collaboration between China and Africa when it comes to sustainable development. I think so we can only commend this collaboration, and we look forward to strengthen our collaboration with university institutions as we are doing it now with Shanghai, with Tongji University, and to see how we can cross-fertilize in terms of knowledge and skills development.
As the world grapples with the harsh impacts of climate change and biodiversity loss, many Chinese and African universities have spearheaded innovation and knowledge sharing. Tongji University is dedicated to nurturing a new generation of environmental leaders equipped with the skills and vision to tackle global challenges.
Inside the campus, we set up, we call it the Chinese and international student mixed class. So based on this model, the Chinese students and international students, they work together, they study together, they set up very good friendship and partnership. So this is just like what we want the students have, not only for the professional experience, but also for the common sense for environment and human well-being.
Maybe the city planning and the energy issue is the most important. Besides this, as we work in university for China, I think the higher education is very successful. For example, in Tongji University, we have the innovation park around the campus. We can create new technology and transfer to the local community or other city, other industry.
The university's commitment extends beyond its campuses with collaborative research projects on different continents. China and Kenya have forged a unique partnership in biodiversity conservation, exploring new strategies and sharing insights to protect endangered species and ecosystems.
For example, you have the volunteers in every region where this ecosystem that we are talking about, to be able to educate the people and work together, and also having these people understand exactly what are these things that are supposed to be done. And in this case, this will encourage what we call innovation hubs and incubation centers within that region, so that people go for alternatives. They go for alternatives instead of engaging in contraventions of the ecosystem survival. And the other thing is the education also is doing what we call the joint research with the local communities, so that they can have a solution to the problems that happens. If it is about hyacinth in the water, then the local community should be incorporated in that research, so that as a researcher leaves, the community will be able to continue with the concept without leaving a gap anywhere.
The collaboration extends beyond academia. At the China-Africa Environmental Forum, the Shanghai Environmental Group organized interactive sessions on Shanghai's environmental technologies and practices. Its flagships, Tianma EcoBase, showcase China's environmental prowess to African experts, highlighting the bond between its zero-waste and circular economy models. The Tianma EcoBase stands as a testament to China's commitment to sustainability. This environmental complex integrates waste disposal, recycling, and eco-education. It's a model that advances the construction of the zero-waste city and was included in Shanghai's 2022 report on the city's implementation of the UN 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. The park reduces carbon emissions by 350,000 tons per year.
那么这个产业园呢，我们是实现了
The EcoBase has constructed 5 factories for 5 kinds of waste and the recycling of all kinds of resources. The UN has a platform which provides many policy and platform references for underdeveloped or even developed areas in the world. Tongji University can help us do some preliminary or theoretical research. Then we can contribute to environmental protection, green development, and resource recycling for Africa with our own practical experience.
一个是绿色的发展，还有呢资源的循环利用，做出我们自己的贡献。
The tour continued at Nashi Water Plant, a historic and modern facility harnessing digital technologies to boost Shanghai's commitment to clean water. The plant has welcomed African experts learning about water management capabilities.
南石水厂坐落在上海的中心城区，目前承担着向中心城区100多万人口的供水。
The Nanshi water plant, located in the central urban area of Shanghai, provides water supply to more than 1 million people downtown. Despite being a central water plant, it has built-in comprehensive intelligence sensors and intelligent decision-making. It is committed to producing high-quality water.
为全市的供水服务呢做出应有的贡献。
2020年，作为黄浦区
In 2020, as the only water plant in Huangpu water supply area, the Nanshi water plant bears the task of achieving the goal of intelligent supply. To achieve intelligent supply, it is necessary to integrate the operation and maintenance of the water plant with intelligent technologies, such as the Internet of Things. Our water plant will also continue to work towards being a waste-free facility, fully automated and unmanned, to better serve the people and the enterprises.
The exchange was more than just presentations. It was an opportunity for African delegates to exchange views on and learn from Shanghai's successes and challenges. The shared insights and practical solutions offered a roadmap for tackling environmental issues.
We
have the UN Tongji Institute of Sustainable Development co-established with the United Nations. This institute has trained many African talents in environmental protection. Tongji University will further expand cooperation with African universities, especially in the fields of environment and atmospheric environment, including atmospheric changes, water resources regeneration, energy recycling, and waste disposal. We will further cooperate with scientific and technological personnel of African universities.
教授团队，我们的师资团队会进一步的跟非洲相关的高校的科技人员进行合作。
China and Africa have demonstrated their commitment to cooperate in the battle to mitigate climate change and sustain environmental conservation efforts. This commitment strengthens ties between China and African nations and paves the way for a greener, more resilient future for all.